And what I have here is a 1999 Lincoln Navigator. The vehicle control module, or the body control module, VCM, different manufacturers have different terminology. You might be able to see that theft light flashing every couple seconds. Anti-theft system has an issue on this truck. Customer just wants to get it home. So I showed him how to do this, and I figured I'd make a video for anybody in case of emergency. You need to get it home or get it to a shop to get it repaired. All you have to do, put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on, not the crank or start position. Walk around underneath the hood here. And the starter solenoid on Ford products is usually somewhere in the vicinity of the battery. So they're pretty easy to locate. Now this particular model has a cover over it. You push down on that, you pull back, and voila, there's the starter solenoid. Now, you have positive right here. That's why it's got a cap on it. It has constant power to this side of the starter solenoid. This little wire here comes from the ignition switch, and when you turn to crank the engine over, power goes to here. Then it activates the solenoid. Power goes to the starter through that wire. What you can do is pull this cap off of here, pull this ignition wire off of here. Now that I've been turning wrenches for many years, I have a special tool that has alligator clips. I can hook one on here and one on here, and of course I have a push button setup, and that light should work when you have power, but this particular tool is about 15 years old, so the diode burned out. But then you can hit the button and crank the engine and start it. Well, you don't need to have any fancy tools. All you need is a screwdriver. And all you want to do is jump power from here to this stud right here. And that will activate the solenoid as long as the solenoid is good. And then power will go through this section to the starter. And it's very simple. You won't get shocked. There's no possibility of that. It's as easy as that. We can avoid having a tow bill, getting it home or getting it to a shop to get the proper repairs done. I hope this helps some people.